But I'll come from a distance.
No, SJ, I have like 10 launches and 100 rockets. You're welcome to these.
Satan, you ready?
Give me a second. I'm just loading another rocket. Give SJ my current one. See, he's putting it to good use.
Okay, I'm coming in.
They droop real hard.
Oh, just even hitting the boat does it.
Oh. It's just absolutely freezing. It's fantastic. But you don't look healthy there.
Oh, Jesus.
Holy shit.
We're going down. We are
going
down.
down. We are going down. Yep.
Please tell me you get a screenshot of this.
I've got plenty of screenshots.
I'm recording it.
I can't get off of the helm. I'm dead.
I'm only just breathing.
I can't get off of the helm.
And that door's the one I don't have the code on.
That's one way to kill someone. That is one way to genuinely kill someone.
That's Jake.
Your dead body's just floating in here with me and I don't like it.